Welcome. This is our studio in BAYZ 101,
Okay.
the iconic project that we were talking about
Okay.
in downtown.
So this is your latest project, BAYZ 101.
That's right.
Okay, got it.
So again, this is how the unit will be finished, and this is how the sizes are.
Okay.
And if you notice, they've given you a touch of luxury and high-end furniture in this.
Okay.
And this one, for now, it does come with fully furnished, except for the television again.
Okay.
No television.
So this is a step up from the previous unit, which is studio
Yes,
sports. So,
definitely.
okay.
Looking at the location also.
Yep. Now this wall, this texture, this is all included as well.
Everything as it is. So we designed it for you, and we do spend a lot on the interiors also, and of course raw material also has a cost. But
Yep.
In the initial stage,
Yep.
we give it to you free of cost.
Free of cost. Amazing. They don't offer this in Canada. They don't offer this type of finish on the wall and
they
stuff. No, not like this. Not like this. You got the baseboard trim along the side, and it's all mirrored out here. Yeah, you can tell that this is one of your luxury.
Yeah,
Finishes.
I would call it more than luxury. It's, we
Yeah.
reached a level where we had an iconic project since Oceans, and
Right.
BAYZ is the second one. Yeah.
Right. And this is all inbuilt, I guess. The fridge is all inbuilt, as you can see here. And the square footage, roughly, this is, like you said, about 400 square footage?
374 to 375.
Okay, got it. Oh, so there's your washer, okay. All marble finishes, beautiful backsplash. And you got your oven. And all the ranges are electrical, I guess?
Yes.
Okay. So this one comes with a bedroom, and it comes with a 3-piece washroom over here.
Yes.
And look at the door as well. Wow, beautiful, beautiful door.
And in this one, we have two options.
Okay.
One is a regular studio, and there is a
Okay.
convertible one. Everything will stays the same, the size, everything, the finish.
Yep.
The only difference is there again be a collapsible door here,
Okay.
which you can convert this into a
Block it
one
off.
bedroom.
One
Exactly.
bedroom. Okay, got it. So there's a okay, got it. Yep. And these are all standard. The finishes on the roof, the way it's kind of molded like this.
Yes. I mean, the chandelier and everything.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful room. Okay. And the price point again for this one, Ghazi, how much was the price point again in Canadian, roughly, for this type of studio?
It is around 340,000 Canadian dollars.
Canadian dollars.
But it has gone a little high now.
Okay.
Obviously because of the appreciation and
Right.
the type of unit on the different floors.
Okay.
So you're roughly talking about 380 to 390 now.
380, 390. Okay, perfect. Okay, cool. We'll just take a quick look at the washroom, and then we'll head to bedroom 2. Amazing. Okay, good work.